What is the role of the Gaelic League in Irish dance? If you're curious about how Irish dancing became the vibrant, structured art form we know today, you need to look back at the Gaelic League. This organization played a pivotal role in shaping Irish dance, and here's how. The Gaelic League was founded in 1893 with a mission to preserve Irish culture, particularly the Irish language and literature. However, it also had a significant impact on Irish dance. After centuries of British rule, Irish cultural identity was fading, and the League aimed to revive it. One of the key ways the Gaelic League influenced Irish dance was by introducing structured classes and competitions. They organized Sealy dances and Fasana, which are Irish dance competitions, both in Ireland and abroad, including in London and even in the USA. These events helped spread Irish dancing beyond its traditional roots and made it more accessible and organized. The League also standardized Irish dance by promoting the Munster style, which is characterized by rigid arm movements. This style became the national standard, although it meant suppressing regional styles like the Galway Sean-Nós style. The Munster style was chosen for its controlled arm movements, which the League considered uniquely Irish. In addition to standardizing the dance style, the Gaelic League discouraged foreign influences on Irish dance. They banned dances like the quadrille, which had been adopted from France to keep Irish dance pure and distinct. This move was part of their broader effort to de-anglicize Irish culture and restore national pride. The League's efforts led to the formation of An Coimisiún le Rinchi Gaeilge, or the Irish Dancing Commission, which further organized and regulated Irish dancing. This commission set up more competitions, including the All-Ireland Championship, and provided certification for Irish dance teachers. This helped Irish dancing expand globally, with teachers and competitions in Europe, North America, South America, Africa, and Asia. The Gaelic League also changed the way Irish dancers presented themselves. They introduced traditional costumes based on old manuscripts, which included tunics and capes. These costumes became a standard part of Irish dance performances and helped identify Irish dancers around the world. In summary, the Gaelic League's role in Irish dance was to structure, standardize, and promote it globally. They introduced formal classes, competitions, and standardized the Munster style, while also discouraging foreign influences and promoting traditional costumes. These efforts have made Irish dancing the organized and celebrated art form it is today.